Hi, in this video I will show you how you can add a watermark to your document or a design in Canva. Now let me be clear that there is no dedicated feature in Canva that lets you add a watermark in a way that we have in Google Docs or in Microsoft Word, where you could just write some text or insert some image, and that image or that watermark will be added to every page of the document. Unfortunately, Canva doesn't have that, but that doesn't mean we cannot add watermark to our document. So in this document that I have here, I have multiple slides, and don't worry, this is something that can be applied regardless of what kind of design or what kind of work you are working on. It could be a regular design, it could be a document, it could be anything else. As long as it is in Canva, you can follow this video. Okay, now what I need to do now is I have to create a watermark. I'm going to create a simple watermark with just text, but of course you can add a logo if you want to, but I think text is the simplest form of watermark and it should be easy to create. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open this preview. You'll see this is just showing a lot of slides in my document, and I'm going to create another page. Now let's visit the text menu, and I'm going to insert some text. This is going to be the watermark or the text that you want to put on every single slide or every single page in your document. So I'm going to make this text slightly bigger, maybe around 56. And since watermark has to be transparent, it's better to use the gray color because gray usually works for both black and white background. It will ensure that the watermark stays visible. So I'm going to change the color to something that is much more akin to gray. It could be dark gray, it could be light gray. It's totally up to you, but I think I'm going to select this option. And also I will add some transparency level to this text. I think 20% is enough, or maybe even less than 20. I think 10% is pretty good as well. It's still visible. Okay, that's looking great. And maybe I'm going to make it bolder. Okay, that's great. Now I'm going to put this, I will essentially populate the whole page with this watermark, and I'm going to just duplicate the design, and I'm going to put this in the middle, duplicate it again, put it on the right side. Now I'm going to just copy and paste, or duplicate whole text. I'm going to put it maybe around here in the middle, and okay, I will do it again. So this is going to take quite some time depending on how many watermark, how many text you want to insert. But I think this is good enough. You can add more. You can, use just one watermark if you want to. But I think there are multiple text here that will ensure that watermark stays visible. Now let's group them together. You can also press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and A or Command and A to select all the watermark text box, and I'm going to group them. Now since we have grouped them into one element, we can right click on it, copy, and then we can just press Ctrl V on our keyboard to paste all those watermarks into every single one of our document. It's going to be a tedious process depending on how many slides, how many pages you have in your document. But if you have, let's say, maybe less than 30, you can do it quite easily, and it should take less than 1 minute to finish. As you can see here, I just populate 12 slides in just a few seconds, and all of them now have a visible watermark regardless of the background color. So that is basically how you can add some watermark to your Canva design or to your Canva document. Anyway, I hope you find this video helpful.